Hello, this is another edition of Loot Crate. It is the Play edition for the month of February, and here we have Trulina, Mojo Momo, what's up? And let's get to it.
Alright. Just kidding.
Ta-da!
Mom's So we got a cool, I think these are called heck bugs. Yeah, heck bugs. I got a purple one.
That's dope. Oh, shit.
Alright, I got it's called Super Fight, the Loot Crate deck. So it's kind of like maybe Pokemon or Magic.
Maybe. Could be.
Dungeons and Dragons for your other people.
Oh.
This is a money roll, design, admire, and inspire. So, you could create your own character with wipe off markers.
Oh, nice.
Make a gorilla or something.
Hells yeah.
I don't know what that is. Can I open it?
Yeah, go for it, Liv.
We're calling you all out there on Cyber Love. Oh, it's a Pac-Man poster.
Waka 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 waka.
Remember those little things?
Yeah.
Anyways, I have a book.
At the club.
Ready Player One.
Oh.
By Ernest Cline.
Damn, I haven't read Sharkpedo from the other edition.
I've started it.
Yeah, at work.
Create packaging simulations. I don't know what that's about. It's how to Firefly Online.
Ooh.
This is, I guess they have a game. It says an assault rifle.
Okay.
We have the pen. Is that the right way?
Yeah, it's good.
And we have something in here. I like when we get little baggies. Ooh, we got dice.
Oh, nice.
So, it's gotta be for something.
Cool.
And our magazine with good stuff. Let's see if Mojo Momo got the same thing. So he's gonna hand me the camera. Wheel of Fortune. I thought it was like that kind of play.
I know.
What's
up? Oh yeah, that's right. I got my tattoo last month. Aha, yeah. Sorry, had to do it.
Conceited.
Yeah, I had to do it. Somebody opened my shit. Did you see that? That thing was open.
Keep going.
Okay, anyway, we have proof.
You got a cool little bug too?
Yeah. Why does it look like my... Anyway, shut up.
Your stuff looks open?
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's a cat. Fatty catty. Pookie wookie. And he's back at it.
See what dice I got.
I think lately we've been getting the same loot crates.
Yeah.
There's no different ones.
Probably got the same poster too. When I open it, just cause. Waka waka waka.
Waka waka waka.
Waka waka. I'm gonna read this switched out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gotta finish my other one.
I'm gonna take that one to work whenever I'm not doing anything.
We need to catch up. We still have our comic books, everything.
Firefly. Co-op gaming. Cool. Maybe a game board. I think that's probably... Yeah, I think with this...
And there's a game.
There's a game board, so you can make like a... With game pieces.
In the back is a game. Nice. Loot crate. Oh, nice. Cool.
And then you can use... I don't know what that's for, but that's cool. And,
Instructions.
yeah.
Alright. Is that everything? Did you get everything?
Yeah, I pretty much just showed everything right away. Just
Flash, lightning, particles,
alright.
and the cat. Again, here's Mojo Momo. I'm True Chilina. And you have Pookie Wookie the Fat Kitty. We're signing off. Have a good night.
Peace out.
We're out.